Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to change your username in Instagram. Your Instagram account has a name that you can change. How do you do that? It's very simple. You go to your page and click Edit Profile. If you have a professional profile, the button will be a little lower. You click here, and here you see the item username. Click here, and we change our name. You can change it once in 14 days. We delete the old name and write the new name here. If the name will already be used by someone else, you cannot change the name. You have to choose an original name that was not already there. Then you click Done, and then you are back to your page. The name will be updated. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye. See you later.